Hey, welcome to the Shortwave radio channel. And I've been a lot of people have been asking me questions on this cassette player recorder AM/FM shortwave radio, and what I think about it. What do I think how it performs? And it's been mostly my kitchen radio for a while. Of course, it has the plug-in for the AC adapter. Well, just AC, the adapters inside. And so I've been using it to listen to local stations mostly, but yesterday I took it for a spin and put Spain on it. And it looks like a good old 80s cassette player that you could have, in any store at Radio Shack and so on. Audio quality is okay, nothing fancy, but okay. Cassette player records well and plays okay. Once again, nothing extraordinary compared to the ones we had in the 80s. I think were recording better than this actually does. So it's not top quality, but it works and it does a job. It's a DSP receiver inside. Once again with analog dial. This is pretty much the standard today because that's the way radios are designed to cost the less. They put that DSP chip in, it makes all the radio stuff, and then you add any parts around it to do what you want. On the shortwave side, the biggest problem with this radio is I got to use it with the telescopic pretty much collapsed. If I take the telescopic and put it as long as it could be, FM breakthrough is everywhere, and I just don't receive any stations. So yesterday's Spain, actually, that you heard, was received with the telescopic pretty much in a position that's like this, which is barely longer than its shortest length possible. Why? Because if I did more, I'd lose Spain and get all sorts of FM breakthrough. So it's sad that, the design is crappy like that on these radios because, honestly, it's okay, But the fact that shortwave is, gone as soon as the telescopic's on, If you live in a rural area where FM stations are weak, I would guess this probably works well. But here in the big city of Montreal, where FM stations tend to be extremely powerful, forget it. Forget it. But still, it's a novelty that I'm happy to have in my collection. It's part of the radios we got today. This is still sold, actually. I would tell everybody that sees this and says, "Oh, it looks cool and has a cassette recorder," don't buy it. That would probably be my number one recommendation is just don't buy this. I got it. I tested it for you guys, and that's the reason I can tell you don't buy it. It could have been better. Unfortunately, I think it could have been better than that. But it's not that great. It feels sturdy though. It feels like the plastic feel of the 80s, but not the cheap plastic. It does feel like there's at least some sustenance in there. So, anyways, this is the Crosley CT 100 something BI, I think. It has Bluetooth and all of that to connect if you want to have it as an audio device. Honestly, as an audio device, even that, it doesn't do it that well. The sound is okay, nothing more. So that's pretty much playing around. And I told you on the other video that I'll be using the Degen DE321 to check out the medium wave band. We're going to do the same with this Crosley tonight, make a video about it. So I'll do a band scan. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.